Welcome back, friends. In the last video, we successfully refactored our code into a professional game class. We have a bunny and it spins, but that's it. If I click on the bunny, nothing happens, and we don't have a score to display. Today, we are going to fix both. We will build a dedicated UI class for the score, and then we will write the interaction code to make the bunny clickable. First, let's handle the visual. Create a new file called ui.js. So I'll be creating a new file here. We are going to make this class extends PIXI.Container. This is a pro move. It means our entire UI object is a container. So we can easily show, hide or move the interface later. So let's start writing the code. First of all, we need to import the Pixi. Then we'll create a new class. And it will extend Pixi.Container. In the constructor, I'll pass super so that it can use the Pixi container features. Now we'll create a new variable for score to track the score when we click on the bunny. And now I'll create a new function where I'll be creating the PixiJS text. So let's create score text. So now let's define this. So first of all, here I'll write some styling. To create the styling, you can refer to the video where we have like discussed like how to create style from the PixiJS text editor. So I'll be giving some font family here. So let's take it normal Arial. Then let's give some font size. Then let's have some fill color. Let's take it as white. Then stroke of the text, and then we'll add the stroke thickness. Okay, so now we have a pixie text style. Now I'll be create the text. And here I'll pass the style. Now let's give some position to this text. Let's say 20x and 20y. and then we'll add this as a child of this container. So UI is extending Pixie container. That's why we are just writing this dot add child. So now from this function we'll be creating our text. Now the game class shouldn't touch this dot score text directly. That's messy. Instead, let's create a public method called addScore so that when we click on the bunny, we can call this function addScore. So here we'll update the score and then we'll update the text score text. So now our UI class is ready. Let's go back to game.js first. Now let's import the UI class. So now here I am importing this, and then we have to create the object of instance of that class. So let's do it in our init function after we add the bunny. So a UI class is a container, so I need to add that container in my app stage. Now for the missing piece, we haven't told Pixie that bunny is clickable yet. We have these event mode and cursor, but we are not creating any pointer down event yet. So let's create it. Let's create a pointer down event here. So now on pointer down we'll call the, so let's move this down here. We have a function we have a function add score in our class UI class, so we'll be calling this function on pointer down. So let's call it this dot UI dot add score. Look at the line this dot UI dot add score. This is a clean architecture. The game detects the click and tells the UI to update itself. So let's create it. I think there is some issue. Let's check this. So we are getting this issue now. So let's resolve the, okay. So I need to do this dot UI here. So now you can see we have a text on the screen, and if I click on this bunny, it's working perfectly. To recap, we created a ui.js to handle the text. We imported it into the game.js class. We enabled the event mode and we connected the pointer down event to the UI add score here. Now we have a working game structure. In the next video, we are going to upgrade our graphics. We are going to learn about sprite sheets to make our character actually run instead of just floating. See you there. Thank you. Bye bye.